good evening. This just arrived, which is 10 kilos of dishwasher powder. Now, this cost me around about £20 for 10 kilos, including shipping. I also got 10 kilos of laundry powder, and we just worked out that per wash, this is going to cost me 2p. There are about 400 washes in here, and it's going to cost me 2p a wash. Now, if I were to go on Amazon right now and find the best deal for an equivalent number of dishwasher tablets, that will cost me 16p per wash. So anyone who has the storage space for one of these, I'm decanting it into here, bit more aesthetic. Anyone who has the storage space for this and is still buying dishwasher tablets is an idiot. There is no justification whatsoever. So, and also in here, I've got my little scoop, so I know how much I'm dosing. And there you go. So that's a public service announcement on behalf of Beaucare Hygiene, who also do lots of useful things for nursing homes and stuff. But look, best deal I found is Beaucare, 10 kilos of dishwasher powder. Thank you. You're very welcome.